Hello, my name is Elena and I'm a teacher in Rainbows. Today I'm going to show you one of our activities for Birds and Nests Week. The children learned about birds and the life cycle of birds and how they build their nests. And so they had the opportunity to go in the garden and to collect natural resources like grass and twigs and small flowers that they found. And together with brown dough, they build their own nests for the birds. Here in Acorns, we do believe that what they learn now as a child and as children helps them grow better for the future. So the emphasis was on taking care of the environment, taking care of the others. Who can be very clever to put his hand up and to tell me what shape does this nest have? Mia.
Like a cup.
Wonderful, like a cup. So how does the dough have to be like?
It's cup nest.
It's a cup nest. They added grass inside of the cup for the chicks to be warm, because they learn why it's important to take care of the living things, and some twigs on the outside to make it sustainable. So they also had some grass put inside and some plastic eggs and twigs for their family as well. They took the role seriously. They will know that growing in the future means taking care better of the environment.